Hi, this is Sierra Norwood, week 8, making the kinetic sand. So the three things that we're really going to need is play sand, cornstarch, and some type of oil product. The video actually used dish soap, but they weren't very specific in exactly as far as the measurements and everything. So I actually watched another video and they actually used oil in the video, so I'm going to try to do it like the other video shows. So what they said was that we need 5 parts of sand to 3 parts of cornstarch to 1 part of oil. So that means we're going to need 2.5 cups of sand, to which I have my sand here. If I can get it open. Ew. Ew, it stinks. This must be straight up off the beach. Actually already kind of wet. I'm just going to go ahead and cut the top off so I can get it out easily. So that's our 2.5 cups of sand. Although I'm not sure how well it's going to work, being that it's already kind of wet. Ooh. Let me try getting my cup. So basically, the whole principle of how kinetic sand works is that, so whenever we are making the kinetic sand, basically we're using some material that's got silicone in it. And silicone is actually made up of silicon and oxygen. And the silicones are polymers. And so they are the molecules made up of the long chains that repeat each other. And so the silicone oils, they are actually what is causing the viscoelasticity. And so basically that's what's allowing it to act as a solid whenever we want to, but not stick to anything else, because basically they stick to each other. And this probably is as good as it's going to get. And I'm not sure that it exactly works like it's supposed to. Somehow my experiments never do. And it may just be because the sand was pretty wet to begin with. And then we've already wet it some more. But certain parts of it do seem to be acting like kinetic sand. And so basically with kinetic sand, we can kind of get it to hold its shape and it don't really stick to anything else. And so Not real sure exactly why it's not working, other than maybe it was a little bit too wet. So that is week 8 kinetic sand.